me say anka ye woni pa ba ku bi anka by now yate na yente no wo ha
anya ni ba ko bebre
okay
okay nya ni pa ba ko me wo bi sa mi kwa me president kwa anka mi nya me ne ba be sa na no asem okay say me ko china side but I invite him no man ya ne entutu na no one ya to
president ben na don ko Akufo Addo
no anka sa mo do friend say president Akufo Addo onu anka sa mu no man back contract 2058 million.
Ambulance spare pass no one.
Yes. No. And then now office of Banwaya Penias is all a mechanical accessory. Now don't I could say, then you're saying, a man is Kayani can cry near Pianino, but the amount of Basso ambulances. Why? Come for your years.
Debbie,
ambulance almost brand new.
You're brand new.
It is over the president, no, some of the councils, not time. No, maybe a little to our country of the councils and you be all now be spoke with soon. Nothing. Don't know what Busha for a man of Modia. I think this is what he did. A man and a Busha for any now, because you know what I compare, man, we are not the Kunku. And one. This is what happened. Very, very sad. Okay, very, very, very sad. So, my. The car woman has some strap. Almost years kind of. Me can't say years kind of. Years kind of. They do what he needs some or you. What to be that? The crown no cry and yefe. Now, when I'm marking the approval the contract, 1.3 million a month.
Afenyo na approve ye.
Naga. On one account, I do what you want to say about Afenyo Markin approve the contract. 1.3 million a month. Which is Afenyo Markin, and you know one team one another day. PCG, Minister of Board Chair of and CEO of board members of and so many others. Now, in some blue way, I'm more accused because how? Mukwo and that, won't you old one? Yeah, order because you cannot more party. If you are Mafa, Uncle Merton, Marco Tom. Hey, the NDC Ama, they will still be doing it. The way and come out, there be and came. So it's all be going on.
Richard Amwakoba, Aqua Como, you Rawada Roma, you may Yamuakaba. And Yabakan say Edom Kuma Wamra Sebe de Fiasa say. Owura Alexander Afenyo Markin and we presenting petition. It was Nimra Sebedjafo ne kakra bi na Ghana fo kuma bi. Wo mo ye chere bi e wabonte. Wada Roma minim se wani de chere. Na demonstration de di kan. Uhu ne sen. Ansa na yabasenti na nkasa kra so.
Just a wa woni wan sem dia won say demonstration no. Nya sem papa. Ye. The MPP for ba yo man e china no. Moni nui. Nyamani wu katambi ambaso jina hobia na woka sama nya muka sam papa de da ho kwa yin ka e suken ya mu ECG some cocoa board one Mr. Boahene na MPP for the church. Let me can say the party has become a criminal organization and a president GM. This is what is coming. And that's what's going on. Kamo kasa nka mo felice no kasa yansesem na muka asuma mo ye keso obi a wo ye lawyer kwa gu ani ma so be done is ade so it makes no sense ade a constitution aka say president mi ye no so yeah untimi ka say who call demonstration no yenya onye ye no onye constitution ye kind ye hu de wo so ye constitution ma hu kwan so timi ye say ni or set up committee or investigate say the young free one and a different matter on something. The Omo Yomo now, the president, Omo yes, and the president with the consultation of Council of State to me suspend this Chief Justice. That is what he did. Now, what's I want to say? Constitution is what to me, yes, what's I want to say? No one will put a yes, and it's a law, no one, and Mabo one as a thing. Omo who too much said the Omo be law, no Papankwan, or we have the common sense where it means to be. They don't use common sense. MPP lawyers. No, who and no one, I can't some more than 50, and then one, some who's uncle, Adia, I won't trust it. So yes, I now hurt you home. You are shooting yourself in the foot. So the first what we call demonstrations and Chester court. That's all person supporting and Chester time be also can be one. If you are all can, it's just all good one. So because the thing is very clear. Why would you do that?
Yura, I did be see one of the videos no more. Now you who say Emrase Bedjeni you are minority leader. Ura Alexander Afenyo Markin. Nanka wadenen se wo prosini biania wotonen sakra wie. Wadaro masubenya wadana die esefata honorable member na.
Oh, the bitch says, "Ask me, but no more really. No more vanity. No more fun no credit. And now, Brasia, it will only get worse. Than it you. And to just I saw I didn't know who can wolf. I didn't know wolf. The president, the yard there with me. I didn't know my wolf. Well, near Buffon a day, Sadia, and by Jonia Buffon a day. Yet the young son, so now when you're arrogant to the sense of who is all your big guy, do to me at the upper, this is what will happen. About ye be credit and now doing under her. I will probably be a that's when it happened to them. They can say, Bon Summer see MPP, no, Bon Summer see, and then you know what you. And then I'll do it.
All right.
And your papa, now, oh, who them make
you share a Sentia. One more day a demonstration. Sentin say, Yamami Gertrude Arabe Sabatu Kunyano no traho, no Yene Juma. Na nyasa na akwakoye se atemu adwuma no ye toto ne fom. Wadaroma se wotena se na wo hwe Yamami ne dwumadi a wadie nsem a aba. Ewom se petition no ni nyina no enya maaye. Na emum ensem fekuo ba mienu miensa bi abetodwa ya yatete bie no. Ene sede ye temu adwuma no in general esi ekono. Do you think say ehia overhauling ana baby adro ne yenya nsa nanem?
Ozana constitution e says what democracy man. I did do one constitution man journey. Won't even know who he. The icon and one also fascinating. Say one consistent. So into almost say okay, you say about appoint committee to investigate. You know the analysis. Two of them Supreme Court justice, one a chairman. Fine. And as a real application na make you. About Article 7 or 3. Once they are doing that work, no, so the president in consultation of Council of State would need to suspend the Chief Justice. Constitution neko, your president ne pen warrior. And to go through them, not to empower you to suspend or anything. If you almost patches a Chief Justice, your way beyond one your money beyond, sanity. That is a criminal Chief Justice who are done holy cow, it's me, sanity. Yes, and the enemy. So your lawyer also to me, Junior, come on, Sabi. Lawyers and engineer. Kaka come above you, drop a dinum kwan, kaka, and chassis. To a copy safe. That demonstration is needless demonstration. Okay, internet, needless. The constitution says President Millions are in. No, I found one or there is a din. Look at demonstration of it. Look up with it. If you have a castle, there's some conform of Mushi, you know, only then a president could suspend, which make us. But we knew once in the Dana constitution, the Atrono, star, Dani fashion. Uber said, yeah, and never pass. Yes, okay, fine. But said the Atrono, Tana also this. The train raise the issue of Parliament. No more amend the Constitution until it is amended. No, into your home. No, like I say, President two committees say, who you no suspending. Tell you what, Chief Justice or one new office, no, is still working, no, or try to interfere with what is happening. And into President, me, if you want to say, send the annual, but Treffy, Chihuahua. Treffy, yeah, you would do. But Treffy. So now then I'll go. Yo.
Yeah, wedie ma ama mene wo ni sankomo emenya wedie esa say ya na ho na kakra na say ya wo ha ne yete say NPP for ye thank you to abronye ne wura Kennedy Agyapong ensem bi esi ama abronye ejam owura Kennedy Agyapong pa wada ruma ensemi wani mu a wo hu ne sen
And that's all I can. I'm going to party. And yeah, we're going to be about when you wake and who says I don't know because one fan of crying yet, Juma. Someone said because the same one because who got thank you to our own will be a tour about Cecilia or Kodani party. Someone on your day. And drama and also that's the same day. It's a old boy, dear, and answers. And then no crack. One day I was at one fan of crap on a Saturday, but I could use. And Canada, thank you, Tony, and I say, Obio Hamuya in favor of. Well, then Moses, what's here, apology for. And no, they are not optional. It's a penny be our party, maybe I was all come.
Anka Omunyano apology to.
Yes.
Son say home.
Now, one drama, I don't know how more to stand out to what Yamis. I said, no. I'm with you. Again, I'm more both you pursue. It's so catch rate. You no, I know, dear. And you'll be open, I'll call. Party, New York, I said, more running for president, no, be our copy. Because you're they're standing by. It's 9% here because of Kennedy. 35% because of Bawumia, and 67% because of Anado. You only not an Anado crack out. Now, oh, I'm not for anybody pass on who said Anado can't be because on the party of our Bufuyan. Now, by Mr. Mumfancheme, and I'm most of the trouble, Mumfancheme, Mumfan, and Panishi party, best party, Mumfancheme. Oh, that's a Mutmink. Mumfancheme, they also Mkoka. Thank you, Tom. So, thank you for what? Don't worry. Oh, be our real or the dance that. I'm talking about Jow.
Oh, all right.
And some Nankasanya, some papa, and I'll confess a moment. Thank you, dear. Bawumia, dear, no one on Mutinaki. As an man, but in others, no woeful. It's just all no more campaign. Then, Mom, you are 200 here. Now, Macaulay. No more could do honor. And I'm moving every day. Oh, that I'm moving more Casacano, that means a lot. Now, Mount Fonso saying, go for your part. This is the Omukasa Kama, only now by this. When the opportunity presents, someone comes to me.
But so what now share a political party like NPP. Now, tier and someone appear free, a regional chairman, a year Abronya Anno. Abranti Nekasaye.
Oh, before now, party.
Oh, okay.
Before, but I'm saying, before ne, Ahoyani, Nadani, Mapanas, Nusume Probi, yeah, twice it a group, so a co busy kind. Nina, but I was an adoption. Say, I assume anymore, that's what happened. But the party behind where operated the NP Gazia and so on, with my winning. Nipa no more running for office. Obia person. Very possible. Is it possible? Which now Mushi and a party now is then we say no painting Manunko. Mamoda Maya wants some say, Mungo, Mungo, Kunisia, the Ujina Hono, no, the Beko. And never part, yes, I know. Two are Ujina Hono, every year, you know, you chow now, Ujina now, person. Who could see any here? So, see, I understand. Yes, a free for all. We are to hear Opedia, we are to impact the cancer Opedia. No.
Ora John Dramani Mahama, etre Kunyasono. 120 days, Anna, you women, I'm saying no on the 5th. It on the 7th, not just when ya the 120 days, no, our car, you know. Yan trust and analyze in Wamakakra as a political analyst, no. We show John Dramani Mahama 120 days in office. Who saying generally, BBR. Oh, okay.
It's in the right direction. Oh, yeah, BBR, why you're intent to study a pedal.
Okay.
He's in there as long as he's on the right direction. So, you credit him. The veteran say, Uncle say, Yachi. The Mumbra, some I'm two boys, one and one cause. to boss and gather information is the son of you. For someone to boss no money.
Na Dr. Wankasano say what wa. Who say anka ye woni pa ba ku bi anka by now. Yate na yente no. Wo ha.
Oh, anya ni ba ko bebre.
Oh, okay.
Okay, see. Nya pa ba ko. Me wo bi sa mi fra me. President Kwan anka mi nya me ne ba be bi sa na no asem. Okay, see me ko china side but I invite him. No man ya ne entutu na no.
President Ben. Na not Danko Akufo Addo.
No one can do friend say President Akufo Addo. Or no one can move. No man back contract 2058 million.
Ambulance spare person or one.
Yes.
Yes.
No. And then now if it's all banwaya penias is all a mechanical accessory. Now don't acquisition. Then you're the same. A man is can cry any pianino. So they are about Basson Panque ambulance. Why? Come for your years.
Debbie,
ambulance almost brand new.
You're to brand new.
It is over the president. No, some of the councils, not time. And the electric or no, the council and you be on our bespoke was soon. Nothing. No, bush for a man of Modia. This is what he did. A money and a bush of any now, Kwaku Campaign, we are not the concours. And one. This is what happened. Very, very sad. Okay, very, very, very sad. So my the woman has some to almost yes kind of. Me can't say yes kind of. Interesting. Yes kind of. Ya do boahene some or you. What be that? The crown no cry nyefe. Now, when I'm marking the approval the contract, 1.3 million a month.
Afenyo na approve here.
Naga. I'm on a car, I do what you want to say. Afenyo Markin approve the contract. 1.3 million a month. Which is Afenyo Markin, and you know what the team one said in wood. PCG, Minister of Board Chair of Asante Bediatuo, board members were and so many others. Now, in some way, I'm more accusing because how? Mukwo and Dadia, won't go you old one, order because you can't have more party. If you are Mafa, Marco Merton, Marco Tong. Hey, the NDC Ama, they will still be doing it. So we can come out, there be a camera. So it's all be going on. You're right. Yeah, that's it. You miss me, Damas. Yeah, that's it. Ato for penny amote sani ene no twetwe nkomo yi Dr. Richard Amwakuba.
Anti President Mahama between 2017 to 2018 he wasn't not on commenting on national how Akufo Addo government was messing up. Who are opposition? Bawumia a new 2 months ago not criticize the government. MPP are opposition. Less than 4 months or my demonstrations in you know. Last week or my demonstration flopped one. And then or say another flop demonstration. Now the issues are MPP a raising. First, almost a galam say. Okatche Kwame a free for a leading member of the MPP. I only Bawumia share the same stage. 2016 they Akufo Addo share the same stage. 2020.
Okay, Papa achievement and I say
Mekaba be sure. To the man penny phone one I mean Magana phone into Mufuni go abo mabaso. Okatche Kwame a free for and Akufo Addo. Yehu MPP National Executive, Regional Executive, Constituency Executive, Police Station Executive, Ministers, MPs, Presidential Staffers. Our mutu galam say. One demonstration. Who are by opposition less than 4 months also hear demonstration against Galamsey. The same Galamsey demonstration a mabunu kwa year before 2024 election. I cheer about 29 of them. Edo mukogumu ya bro mu pray pro mu do mukogumu maybe them for even almost a month no. And I will call demonstration. Thankfully, because enya dampare na ye IGP na yohuni na IGP ntino. Na no katache demonstration mu kwa ye no. Ya nchi obia, ya mu obia, ya mpra obia. Wo mo di aduane ni nsuo bre wo mo no. Ya mu obia nchi obia nkwa nkotum. Na so ada dampare ya Akufo Addo dampare. Obi demonstration obi di aduane ni nsuo kekekra bre no ne ye che ne de no kokotu mu. ye chigana mabunu mako 29 do mu kukugu afiase bi de bosome ene kyerɛ sɛ ɛsono sɛ bi adwen ene sono nyansa ɛsono experience ɛde ɛkɔso anda Akufo Addo woni wa kwa demonstration ye preventing Ghana for enyam na mko demonstration asake or Bradford abotuto ba ya enkrofo to rem no ene under IGP Johonu MPP for a demonstration mienu ene on record on camera Afenyo Markin yi ni sabo police ni asum nanso so yenya ne hwe but minim say edania omo nim se wo se mra ya adwuma se ho na mo anche no a ene the video no akọ viral yewra Johonu make sure say Afenyo Markin sa ni suba phone ni suba tantan sa kaka bensem atutrasem bonesem wudi wa esa bohuriye moja mpani trimu da upe politician trimu osum na onsuro nipa moja onya nipa moja ohunu sede se bi wo hu sede akoda hu chocolate no a eya Afenyo Markin sa ni sunu ode te eye okọ we ni ba de oye authorizing crofo e wo honom no enne wabo police ni sutro on live camera me paacha samo ante no a na se obi kobu police ni a na eyemo police fo no na mama kwan si ya sort police officers ni emfo muni because Afenyo Markin a kire kwan no some ye demonstration said demonstration about water minim say ene beba so say get to Torkonoo and am demonstration e ho beba ho but talking about the dollar what ba betina Ghana kunya so 8 years e wo mu 96 months ene wo mu obefa dollar from 4 Ghana cedis o kono na eye almost 17 Ghana cedis Ghana 4 year de omo beye empire omo bebo ehun akom tene Pentecostal and charismatic for sorry empire omo bo nananom nsa omo yie said the dollar beba from ni nyina echi no you left dollar almost at 17 Ghana cedis Ghana for 96 good months and ne we predecessor who the can say who successor buy 4 months we reduce dollar from 17 Ghana cedis to 13 Ghana cedis. What it means ni say under Ato Forson any esiama every month we are no dollar no more reduce omo masote e depreciate by 1 Ghana cedis. Now where are kanana agric policies and share enyansha scientific in government policies and kasana scientific in the mere fact say the finance minister making sure say yenye wasteful spending na sika kakra won ye manage no na ma dollar no eba from enti by the time I feed Ghana ye bedua sabre kwafo na hyase edua ye betwa sa anuane na ebeba food import eso beti na government programs ahodo a wode agu akwam he say eye importation so beti no nana by the time I feel obekọ na wiye no Ghana yetie ya ebetimenya dollar less than 10 Ghana cedis market on the wall yebetimenya dollar less than 10 Ghana cedis something that went to me for 96 months anye no obi edi just 4 months yes adwuma we and Akufo Addo petrol timi koya meyeto 1 liter 18 Ghana cedis 1 liter 18 Ghana cedis ekoya twamu kodu 22 Ghana cedis per liter
yeah 22
and then liter 12 Ghana cedis liter 12 Ghana cedis projection just say e be call from this year and now $1 no 13.8 no by the time anwumre nko ochina no obo hu se be sa drop it.
But the question is it sustainable?
Yes.
That is
whether it's sustainable and not sustainable. Se Akufo Addo buy no timi fa free for Ghana cedis and they buy 1 Ghana cedis within 4 months. And Ghana 4 born abaso. Akufo Addo buy otimi reduce dollar. When timi reduce dollar. Wo be fa ye just 4 months what is so 4 Ghana cedis amene adwadifo e ho ahiha omo. Now we your position na wo kwa free abemu just 4 months. So we your political strategy now ni nyansa. What do? You keep quiet. Now what train? MPP force them mo ya ade. Mo na mo share that me hye about state properties market na mo hye. Na mo hye da ye na mo create artificial security. You keep quiet. Kosi say aban no be fom na aban no fun aba be didi wo de when na aban no ya de agara fo ba na ba so na so be ye o ye kire nti wo say na MPP o ye kire nkrofo anko because nye jimi a nana wakọ election what lose you sit from 137 to 88 we win 2020 election with almost 500,000 and then what lose election over 1.7 million votes o party for mo say mo party for omo and to about 2 million muntimi nkoye eno mo nkotena ase enhwe omo haw emo mo nkomo atro en resolve ye Musibo ko thank you to na mko ene ko wi ase na akuti ato ene ateni MPP mu dentist bebre wo say the latest dentist awapie ya bronye was say odi nsabe nkum bewura Kennedy Agyapong num na ne sen na de no wadwiri ni nyina agu say due to through the thank you to ya discover another dentist from the MPP which is abronye mon kan wiye mo party ni de was make a demonstration so your political strategies are you wait the man ye ba sam ho cry Ghana fo ahi amena me no ka say ko fa ballot box here meto aba say MPP nya even 8% kra na enyame because Ghana fo na trans ye hu say mo ba e na mo ye nwe we sent monkeys to do their job enfuin kwakuo enwe aye suma amo sam nkoya no madwuma because na Ghana fo be free say abo kwakuo ni adre enfuin omotinua so omutimi hope from one branch to another branch and into no adwuma anoma betumi aye no adre su betumi aye eno mde maamo ena mo prove say no you can never send monkeys to do best job because anoma wotimi tu every dua ba akoso kosi dua ba akoso na emo adre de ontumi nye saa na aban papa ba no ototo ni ama obetena se no wo mu masa tie Simonten sa wo ye wo ye kire when the dollar echo form now why you need to divert attention and you cannot divert any attention no. We are living the reality they are so come for they are living the reality mam no be the form ko China ko Dubai ko fa niam they are living the reality adaba fo a omo eto petrol private cars commercial cars obi anim how much the high cost of fuel ekum Ghanaian business no and echo form no they themselves they are living reality. And you want to catch Ghana for and nothing can divert Ghanaians' attention. Talking about Mahama 120 days. And then ya obi akwache Mahama cars mienu. Brand new cars. Were disclosing as a donate cars ni yamfa nkoma aban. And then Mahama say na point is a man declare more assets. Said ye emna date no deadline no share no so ye no wo 3 months salary ye ntua ye de kwa akoto sa fan ne ye de ba behwe apomde Mahama ke ye de kwa akotum. You can never get this from anywhere. Anti MPP na no beka say exercise futility. One, they are not demonstrating to create any awareness. They are only showing omu solidarity to omu mada Torkonoo afidie yi no awoko. And no amount of demonstration said the Torkonoo na kasa kai no you can make or see no amount of the noise the you law can
make all the noises
you can make all the noise but the law is the law ubet my demonstration bia open get to Torkonoo is never going back to the bench as a chief justice or even the Supreme Court judge we na juma oko na de ba kwa many can say MPP for say the judiciary is under siege. Now I say coming mami kabia mamu no na I say. Na sometimes and come in the bottom na me jema mama ofa and me jam ho contem. Na me jama mo ofa no afa de akanyina. Me fa 10% na 90% ni na since abuwa bia bedi waduane a eya enye ya se Kweku Annan sa hia sekan odi waduane a ya papa because Kweku ne nsa ye ma ye 5 said nipa de tie no a enti ya na ya na abufu na ehi se ye nipa ye de se kan nsa be so se kan ma do adua bro na Kweku si dua so hwe ye do no hwe ye dua no hwe abro ni ye do ase no hwe enyi obebu awe mreko a wono ne nsa hia sekan a wono senko obi akura be kasa na nkanya MPP4 say judiciary are say really you and the MPP momo penso and a whole judge or painful or bar painful teenager mo wodi asem already mo bad boys Delta Force etumi akọ bu security coordinator
come and me economic aspects no discussing different. I think I will have a very good show. Ya kanin na abomu a ukasa it
of a maybe yes here list of the oyade
no na because say ya kanin na abomu a ya kan nya
list sa na open no
say pictures no go na o ka demonstration
ona na say yawie yawie ho list sa na open no afrafra sa na wa
afrafra hini wo ho
ayo to aso oba pem for a charge o tinedwam already makwa akobo regional security coordinator ene de makwa akogina court edimu kogina court wa na munua no masa akọ vandalize court sorti oba pem for a judge she has to run for her life mu wie a na masa bribe the same judiciary no before cry ebedi masa munum nsa mo court ne ebe fine mu 1008 na wuntumi akopɛ 1008 amamu de ahye mu botom judge nya pronounce judgment say I fine mo you are hereby fine 1008 na no matum botom ma iska mo kwa kotua first of all we the counterfeit akoto wi our court down any achewo wakobu security coordinator ye do court so akwa sort court as vandalize court. This thing happened under MPP. Nobody condemned. Nemum de Akufo Addo here and say even before cry bedu Masem Akufo Addo can say they have shown remorse. Omache mi hu. Under MPP. Kennedy Agyapong and Ope president edi. Sen in ade nko an egu nanum abronye the dentist oba betwini nyina egu enche. Etimi hwe high court judge anim edi na attempt threatening life. The we ask you no high court judge ni edi na attempt threatening life no. Onu mo be victim to justice. We ask you no the eni ni aboa. Transfer sa judge ni kura fisa case ni so am eni na asem. Ama Kennedy Agyapong fa no hu die. Sa nya ma we nyina si. You never say judiciary was under attack. And holding the Chief Justice to account, holding her accountable before the law, you hit history to say we a demonstration. You koka nano Professor Kojo Kyeremanteng, former minister and I think it's Rollins, no education minister. Nanamona money. So kind of AUCC nyankasa ono ankasa na no otchero write ups be very beautiful. We read here to say yes I'm inside no otchero no but prof I disagree with you. That's more can you say touch not my anointed because Gertrude Torkonoo your bad na you set a bad precedent. Prof I disagree with you 1,000 times. Yeah go and read.
Oh my God.
Say Gertrude Torkonoo your bad.
How low?
Yes sir, you victimize a ma. Now for Supreme Court a year a judge for na betina mu a ma womu cry just 13%. Enti President Mahama should take his hands off Gertrude Torkonoo. Prof, again, I disagree with you. And I know someone somehow now was born out of your personal relationship you have with Gertrude Torkonoo. Because when Chirega Mrawo Bebia and one chere any precedence bia e chere say maame na ya de say we under 1902 constitution rule of law and and no one is above the law, and he who asks for equity must come with clean hands. Won't mean na akunya taxpayers etua de amawo enhye rope enhye gun entna ho embetu makeup enkikacha lawyer for say sit down because you don't want to hear them speaking. We are not jeli obi kunu so onko fiase because nipa na practice are corrupt and as we breach Ghana law. Now you yourself no we are corporate. No. 2015 Samo kan Loretta Lamte Shrad Sadron na your boss. Ye throw petition to come out President Mahama Sadron president. Say maame no ayi su public fund Ghana for sika 182,000 or the then or they are called renovating official residence eya aban dia or they are called renovating or team 182,000 Ghana to President Mahamadu Jinedi Sabre ni ante Professor Yanka Yante MPP for Obia and Kasema many oba na President Mahamadu tu sa na mo no oba no odi nani Yante Professor Yanka 2017-2018 Charlotte said to the baby we are getting yes in Kofobe petition Eda Koma president Charlotte says oh president me part of me copy of the petition I want to know whether they about me yes it diamond yeah they call come petition no come chief justice Sabres of Yakufu and no to be an anoka say the current constitution no the process I they appointed the chief justice and the process I remove the chief justice no enya fair but the same yes for Yakufu one no and Akufo Addo man back pass ebra ye petition against MPP for nankasa tena Jubilee House etro petition and the command no say onyi Charlotte said when Charlotte say a requesting from then chief justice for Yakufu and all talking about fairness no or catch Charlotte says oh Kawanutum don't worry everything will be okay well man petition be they never gave her opportunity to even see or witness or even not to talk about providing evidence and answer on another side of the story like the President Mahamadu Bawumia Torkonoo. We Charlotte said Yante Professor Yanka Yante wonka Anna say Charlotte said na wuni so e bema Yante wonka condemning that act you never wrote anything Ekatre Ghana for say touch not my anointed Charlotte say oba Loretta Lamte no oba ni nyina two president Mahamadu Loretta Lamte di Akufo Addo be Charlotte say di one tromu bia ene du nua so dia o ka che President Mahama say onyi ni sa off no say President Mahama taking the hands off making sure say get to Torkonoo sa betra on ma ye ni Ghana for you be push for the impeachment of President Mahama so ma get to Torkonoo
no, but it depends on the findings
what is findings in the say
because
findings in the say Loretta Lamte expended taxpayers money 182,000 at the renovating official residence the same Mahamadu Jinedi uko fa get to Torkonoo on one person response or try to come out presenter waje to say yes what the one person ba replacing the bodyguard Emma trip wa year official no what diverted the coin unofficial Emma Ghana is spending 109,000 Ghana cedis I want the bar plane ticket to pay 109 billion cedis and what she was sad Ghana taxpayers money $10,000 Editria on one casaneba a year per diem
which was 170,000
170,000 plus 109,000 is it not over 269,000 na one no Loretta Lamte 182,000 Jinedi now who do I spend taxpayers money I will see taxpayers money 279,000 a year amount now because when I want fair and I said because na wo ship and I said because when I said you brought for there wo kunu to kwa Rwanda na o de o man Ghana tika e nature plane ticket amano because wo kunu na wo ne be man were several years no say bosumi bi ankra man per dia man ka be chasa 6,000 di amano just because we do a check for one trip akotwiw and intini for Ghana a taxpayers money is $6,000 and pianika because what play outside home it is $6,000 would ya Kwaku Annan ka man fa huni and to go farmer me na nkasa the response or the buy no wa admit it and you have been a car wa admit it now which part of the constitution and the MP before so my demonstration Afenyo Markin a lawyer MPP general secretary or a lawyer akwaya say bi wo wuru say apotra wa many poison DJ Caleb or see a lawyer woman in Akasaye which of them enatimia quote the any act of the law or the constitution a President Mahama
criminologist.
The
criminal.
Also a lawyer. Omatimi akyerɛ which part of the act or the constitution are President Mahamadu Bawumia. As one more nyinaa say or your bar your bar Afenyo Markin say yenya sa politics of retaliation. Obi say tit for tat. Tit for tat enye. Why should there be a tit in the first place? If
Why not tat?
If there's a tit, then there should be tat. Anything I say tit for tat. Say judges now President Mahamadu appoint to amono. Yeah, see somebody Akufo Addo be president for just 8 years. I appoint to over 14 justices to the Supreme Court. I been see that. MPP for Haley to the extent say Chief Justice a Supreme Court judges need be crown call a retirement in my vacancy my no. Now Akufo Addo was still appointing people to be on a standby. And the MPP is complaining because Mahamadu nominated 7 Supreme Court justices. The same MPP say a yeba power yes you best sake CJBR President Mahama ebe you now jai Afenyo okay and to say Ghana for be some mistake in ama wakwanya mo aba no we are firing you. It's Mahama's time to fire, so allow Mahama to fire and you fire everybody. So Ghana for your mistake esa the 2 mawa and aba be the why no see nana there are things for you never lost adia ya wodia aba bi you aboboa no na si ade ya abo atechede dia no krama tumirika upan otwamuko atechede ba befa no odeko uko Supreme Court wa Justice Bafu Boni that's one of the senior most judge awo even under a year I can say Georgina Wood Justice Etuguba no the senior most Ubeka 2013 Supreme Court verdict election verdict case no na Etuguba na net na so wo ba ya when you penifo nyina afi ho at a point you threaten papa no kwasa on resign because 2013 ebra modem nsem ko court about me akotra that come say you and I were not there no one vote ama Akufo na be president you were threatening Justice Bafu Boni to resign one resign no Nigeria due process I will go through just the due promotion edu no one promoting my many da and one the nyame aye Akufo Addo co position people co position just 4 months and ne Justice Bafu Boni is the acting chief justice Nigeria and prison for nyina mpanyimfo you see what unu nyankopon to me and the MPP just to sit down and enjoy how Kama is serving the same dose the more for and some people some demonstration is within their kind of constitutional right because in Ghana's political history there's no single political party organizing demonstration more than MPP. The MPP demonstration omo ya de pa we omo ni na biri omo afa no omo be fa afa gebe omo titi kufu fro and the demonstration pa omo nko ne omo run 24-hour economy we ko ne ochana obi akọ you can demonstrate you can do whatever you want to do. Get to Torkonoo is never going back to the bench. Get to Torkonoo she is fired. Get to Torkonoo side the Ghana foka she will be set charge and so long as I know said Domlevo e wo hore de says sika no de man ni kunu says sika no de man ba for doing nothing for Ghana no she will be set charge she will be made to pay that money in MPP before BBA says sika na no Bawumia de ma omo Kennedy Agyapong so de ma omo no omo reserve bi so omo da get to Torkonoo omo pena sempa so national women organizer omo reserve says sika no se committee ni omo adwuma wi a that amount na be se charge ni se wontua no no omo de says sika no e de ama no and Ghana Bar Association and so obi ehu omo and the Ghana Bar Association chere what is constitutional and the unconstitutional when is not within their powers. Who has the power in Ghana to determine what is constitutional and what is unconstitutional is the Supreme Court. And then MPP member no corporate presidential no akasa kra oye J-Bird awo twen Joe Gatti no ye $2 million akodi no ho Nigeria and a Ghana Bar Association president and no be ka kire Ghana for say the president aye no unconstitutional constitution fine so no breach so a muntumi nkire Nana, it will make a lot of sense.
Don't you wonder why some of these people are lawyers?
Yeah. Nana, it will make a lot of sense. Say, wakra nyama, aunum so nyama wa ship so eba. Obekwa ko gina Kutuka Airport Terminal 3. Na wa twen wo ship. Say ba be gina Terminal 3 no you nyama. It will make a lot of sense than to waste your time and hope say Gertrude Torkonoo after suspension no she will be restored. She will never be restored. Name mo the Ghana foka. Enti mo a makwaje parent for them people so many demonstrations so many 5 political parties. 5 political parties so ya hu omumu bia. Me free original studios never. Kofi Akpalu demonstration just 1 hour demonstration. Wa bet that original TV studio that or that hatting I'm so bra obre. Who are going to that one because this is eternity. Yeah, eternity.
Ano kwasia we
yes,
eternity.
Eternity. Say Afenyo Markin and all be breath.
Gabby, Akufo we pa dia. O ma like you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.